walk?
Easy.
People behind you can. People behind you can. They're almost taking it away.
Sorry about before. He's normally very well behaved. Oh, I think he's a bit upset.
Upset?
Yeah, I think he might be a little jealous. Basically encouraging as if you like him.
Like him?
Yeah.
Good boy.
As if you mean it.
Good boy.
Nice, huh?
Oh, cool.
What's the matter, buddy? Whoa. Looks like they're hauling in their kill.
Where are they taking it?
Let's find out.